A small Sudoku puzzle 6x6 consists of a grid with 36 cells. Some cells already contain a digit, possibly from 1 to 6, while the others are empty. The grid can be divided in 6 rows, 6 columns, and 6 boxes. The rules of the game are simple. Fill in the empty cells with a digit, from 1 to 6, making sure that each digit is present only once per row, once per column, and once per box. Here is the previous puzzle once completed. Our techniques to solve Sudoku puzzles come from the rules. We are checking, by using logic, where we can't or where we should input a digit in the grid. One easy case is when a cell is the last empty cell in a row, in a column, or in a box. Here, 5 digits are already present in this row. There is only one empty cell. The missing digit, 2, can fill this cell. 5 digits are already present in this column. There is only one empty cell. The missing digit, 1, can fill this cell. 5 digits are already present in this box. There is only one empty cell. The missing digit, 3, can fill this cell. Only one possible cell in a box for a digit. For this box, we check if we can place the digit 3. A digit 3 is present in a row intersecting the box, so we can't enter another 3 on the same row. We draw a line, in our mind, from this 3 over the row through the box. There is another 3 in an intersecting column, so we may not enter another 3 in the same column. We draw a line from this 3 over the column through the box. These two lines cover cells where it is not allowed to enter 3. There is only one empty cell in this box where we can input a 3. Where there is more than one empty cell, we can't decide and input a digit. Only one possible cell in a row or column for a digit. Here we check if we can place the digit 5 in this row. There is a 5 in an intersecting column. We draw a line from this digit through the row. There is another 5 in an intersecting box. We draw a line over the 3 cells common to the row and the box. Only one possible cell is then possible for the digit 5 in the row. It is the same thing for columns. We check if we can place the digit 3 in this column. There is a 3 in 2 intersecting boxes, so we draw a line over the cells common to the column and the boxes, and another 3 in an intersecting row, so we draw a line from this digit through the column. Only one possible cell is then possible for the digit 3 in the column. Only one possible cell in a box, a row, or a column for a digit with incomplete information. Here, we check the allowed cells for the digit 5 in the box. There is a 5 in an intersecting column, preventing some cells of our box to contain 5. It's not enough to know where to enter 5 in the box, but if we look at the top left box, we see that the digit 5 will be in one of the empty cells, over the second row. A digit can be present only once per row, so we draw a line from these question marks over the row through the top right box to show where we may not put a 5. There is something similar with the middle right box. The digit 5 will be in one of the empty cells over the last column. A digit can be preset only once per column, so we draw a line from these question marks over the column through the top right box to show where we may not put a 5. there is now only one cell allowed for the digit 5 in the box. Only one possible digit in a cell. A cell belongs at the same time to one column, one row and one box. A digit can be present only once per column, per row and per box. So if a digit is already in the column, the row or the box to which this cell belongs, the cell cannot contain this digit. We consider this cell. There are 12 other cells, sharing either a column, a row or a box with it. These other cells contain 5 of the 6 possible values. Only one is missing, 4. So this is the value to enter.